Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for 17,000 subscribers. Greatly appreciate that each and every day. Thank you to everyone who comes back and checks out the channel and supports me. You guys are amazing. Moving on to today's video, I did not get another chance to record some video at work, so I'll try to catch you guys up and have like a 3-day compilation when I get the chance. But today I wanted to go over my 5 everyday carry items as an electrician, and some of these might shock you, but I'm going to explain why. So let's go ahead and jump right into the first one. The first one is my Knepex Cobra Comfort Grip Pliers. These are the 10-inch model, model number 8702250. So these are my new favorite pliers. I had the Cobras. I decided to try out the Comfort Grips and I really like them, so I've been using these. I have 2 pairs of these, but these are the first. This is the first tool that I carry, just one of these in my back pocket every day. So this is always on me at all times at work, and obviously I carry a wallet at work, and if you zoom in on this, you will notice from sticking tools in my back pocket that my wallet is getting destroyed. But that's just the price as an electrician. So moving on to the second item, which is a roll of tape. I prefer the white tape because the black tape is sticky. White tape leaves like no residue when you take it off. You can write on it with a Sharpie or a pen, wet erase marker, whatever your utensil of choice is. You can use this to label circuits, wires, anything like that. So I like to put this in my back right pocket and then put my tape right over that, just like that, and it's usually near the top up there somewhere. But anyways, those are the first 2 items in my pocket. The next tool or item that I carry on me is a wet erase marker. Not a big fan of Sharpies. You can erase these, obviously add a little water, spit on whatever. You can wipe that off. So I keep this on the left pocket, outermost edge of my left pocket, so I can just quickly grab it anytime I need to write something down, I need to calculate something, just whatever. Wet erase marker number 3. The next item, in no particular order, I think I usually keep my diagonal cutters on me. These are the Fujiya ones. Full disclaimer, they sent me these a long time ago. I've been using them every day. I do enjoy them. This isn't a review of them, but obviously I just want to give you guys a little update on these. I've been using these every day for like 2-3 months. I do like them. Sometimes there's only like one case where they don't really work, which is on like 3/4 flex or whatever. And the outside handles are like really, the grips on the handles are like really aggressive. So that's the only thing I don't really like. Other than that, everything works great. I've been abusing these, just using them for knockouts, grabbing the knockouts, cutting wires, just doing things I shouldn't do with these, and they've been holding up really well. So yeah, I've been enjoying these. The Fujiya, these are the high leverage. I think these are the 9-inch model, but whatever the high leverage model is. I've been using these every day, so I keep these in my back pocket. Always need to cut something, so it's always good to have some cutters on you. If I don't really carry a razor blade on me. So if I need to open a box or something, I just like cut this or whatever. I use that to cut stuff. That's what I meant to say. And then lastly is my 8-in-1 Klein Tools insulated screwdriver. Obviously the other, whatever, 6 tips are in its bag in my cart at work. But this is, I don't even know what to say right now. It is the interchangeable, it has a little twist lock right here. Twist it, it pops up, you can switch. This is the double-sided tip. It has the number 2 Phillips and the 1/4 inch slotted right there. So you just go ahead and flip that, clicks into place, super solid. And then you have the other tips and stuff like that. But this is what I carry on me. So you're a little bit extra safe in case you ever run into something that's hot and you thought it was off or something like that, but always double check your circuits, so that has not been a problem. Haven't run into a hot situation, but it's always good to have this just in case. Never hurts to be extra safe when your life is on the line, possibly. So This is the 5th tool that I carry. The honorable mentions that are still at work are my strippers. Obviously it's nice to have strippers, but right now we're doing a lot of rough-in work. So not really stripping any wires anytime soon. So sometimes I'll carry strippers in my pocket, and there was another honorable mention which I seem to have forgotten. But the other one besides that one that I forgot is a tape measure. A lot of numbers right now, so I'll usually carry a tape measure on my front right pocket, so I can always just grab it real quick, throw a number out, take my wet erase marker, mark something down where I need to mount boxes, spreader bars, anything like that. I think that about wraps it up. Yeah, so RIP to the tool that I forgot to mention, which sometimes I carry, but obviously that I can't think of right now. But anyways, those are the 5 tools that I always carry on me every day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.